Hello, today we are going to talk about life in Europe before the EU. For example, before the European Union, every traveler used to change the money before traveling. In France, you had to use the French francs, and in Germany, the Deutsche Marks. Whereas now, you don't have to change money anymore. You can travel and pay everywhere in euros. Before the EU, you didn't use to work or study in another country easily, whereas now you can study or work all around Europe. Pour récapituler, used to plus un verbe exprime une habitude au passé. We used to have the francs in France. Didn't use to plus un verbe exprime une habitude négative au passé. We didn't use to travel in Europe. Not anymore exprime ne plus, not étant évidemment accolé au verbe. Now it's your turn. Write two sentences with used to, didn't used to. Write two sentences with not anymore. Use at least once whereas, qui signifie alors que. The topic of this exercise is life in Europe before the Union. Write them on a piece of paper in your file. I'll see you next time.